becomes very important for us when we're thinking about the management strategies to adopt this sort of holistic approach to target all the different pathologies.
And as the consequences is the same. There will be more cardiovascular events, higher mortality and morbidity, and also there will be reducing in quality of life.
There's always a multidisciplinary approach and a combination for pharmacotherapy for the management of cardiometabolic patients, whether it's a blood pressure, whether it is a dyslipidemia, diabetes, chronic coronary syndrome.